Magandang gabi,
China is
Pilipinas.
pushing for dominance.
Sa gitna ng tumitinding tensyon sa South
Using
China Sea,
Axis
inanunsyo ng Estados Unidos
and
at
ramming
Pilipinas ang pagtatatag ng isang bagong task force
Because it wants to
upang
control
hadlangan
the
ang
South
agresyon
China
sa
Sea.
rehiyon.
China is pushing for dominance, using Axis and ramming ships. Because it wants to control the South China Sea.
Sa pulong ng mga ministro ng
The
depensa
Philippines
ng
and Vietnam
ASEAN
are
sa Kuala
threatened
Lumpur,
most by
Malaysia,
China's ambitions,
ipinahayag ni
and both
US
struggle
Defense
to counter
Secretary Pete Hegseth at Philippine
rivalry
Defense
between China
Secretary
and the United
Gilbert
States
Teodoro
also has a
ang
huge
pagbuo
influence
ng
on this
Task
regional
Force
conflict.
Philippines. Pamungunahan ito ng isang
The
Brigadier
Philippines is
General
getting
o
closer
Rear
to the US
Admiral
in the hope
at
this
binubuo
protects
ng
it
humigit
from
kumulang
China,
60 na kasapi
while
ng
Vietnam
serbisyo.
is balancing between the two superpowers. In this episode, we will look at how China is expanding its control in the South China Sea, and how the Philippines and Vietnam are pushing back in such different ways. Let's start with this: Chinese warships on patrol, as shown by state media, and sailors taking an oath to defend China. What's interesting about that is where they did it. Here, 1,600 kilometers from the Chinese mainland.
Layunin ng task force na palakasin ang koordinasyon ng dalawang bansa, pagbutihin ang kahandaan sa operasyon at palakasin ang kakayahan sa humanitarian at disaster response. Nilinaw ng magkabilang panig na hindi ito magdadala ng bagong puwersang pandigma o permanenteng base ng US sa Pilipinas. Hindi namin hinahanap ang konfrontasyon, ngunit handa kaming ipagtanggol ang aming interes, mag-isa man o magkasama.
A provocation for others around these waters. The Philippines, Vietnam, Malaysia, Brunei, Indonesia, and Taiwan. Because many of them have competing claims on these waters. Looks confusing, right? Well, it is. Let's talk about China's claims, because they're the biggest. And Beijing has the military muscle to make their claims a reality. Vietnam and the Philippines are most affected. For decades, they've been slowly pushed aside in the struggle for control of the many islands in the sea.
Ang kalayaan sa paglalayag at paggalang sa soberanya ay mahalaga, hindi lamang para sa atin, kundi para sa buong mundo. Kasabay ng anunsyo, nagsagawa ng naval drills ang US, Pilipinas, Australia at New Zealand sa karagatang sakop ng Pilipinas. Lumahok dito ang USS Fitzgerald, HMS Ballard, HMNZ Aotearoa at BRP Jose Rizal. Ang Task Force Philippines ay nakikitang dagdag na hakbang sa mas malalim na kooperasyong militar ng US at Pilipinas na nakatuon sa kahandaan at mabilis na pagtugon sa anumang krisis o agresyon sa rehiyon.
They say they did it to keep an eye on the ongoing Chinese construction of Mischief Reef, which is just 20 kilometers away. There are a few Filipino military personnel living on the grounded vessel. The Navy delivers food and material to repair the rusting hulk. But China is trying to block the resupply efforts. So that's why we have recently seen so many standoffs here. The Philippines is filming the encounters and blaming China publicly,